Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse your videos on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device. And once you open it up, you can create a new project or open up your old ones from your draft. Now, if you wish to add any media, you can tap on the plus icon and then add them to your timeline to begin making your edits. Now, within your videos, if there is any video in your timeline that you would like to reverse, then go ahead and tap on this video file first. Once it is selected, swipe the editors to the right, and towards the very end you will see the reverse option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will begin to reverse your video right away. You are told not to lock your screen or switch into other apps. So follow this instruction, and now the video will be reversed on your timeline right away. If you wish to revert this setting once again, by tapping on this video, tap on reverse once again, and this will undo the reverse that you have just done. You can reverse all of your video files by following this step if you wish. Now, if the video files contains any audio, along with this video, the audio will be reversed as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reverse your videos on the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.